Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find latest job updates and complete placement preparation. One big update is coming from Aptean. Aptean is hiring 2024 and 2023 passed batch candidates for AI application developer via Aptean AI Hackathon. Yes, Aptean is conducting AI Hackathon for BE and BTech candidates whose year of passing is 2024 and 2023. And what are the eligible branches? I'll discuss in this video. Important thing is you should know, to all the winners of this AI hackathon, Aptean will provide direct job without any interview. Yes, right, salary will be more than 10 lakhs per annum. So in this video I will discuss what is the eligibility criteria, what is the job location, what is the last date to apply. This is a mass hiring, right? And yeah, AI hackathon will be conducted virtually, but if you get the job, then you need to work from office, right? So now, without wasting any time, let's get started. Without starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to our Code with Anurag YouTube channel, please do subscribe, because here you will get daily latest job updates with placement preparation in English. And this is our other YouTube channel, Job Updates for You, where you will get daily latest job updates with placement preparation in Hindi. So please subscribe to this channel as well. Now let's start the video. Once you will click on the apply link, which you will find in the description box of this video, then it will redirect you on this official website LinkedIn. So here this job is posted by Shilpa BS, right? She's an HR, senior HR, right, at Aptean. So she posted this job. So you can see all the details. There is a 75% criteria. Yeah, this is a criteria, right? And yeah, year of passing already discussed. Last date to apply is 28th March 2024, and eligible branches are artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science, cyber security, computer science, IT, information science, right? These are the eligible branches. So if you are from these branches, then you can get then you are apply. And you can see here see, the winners of all hackathons will receive a direct job offer to work at Aptean Center of Excellence, that is in Bangalore, in their office actually, right? So now let's see how to apply. You need to click here on this link. Once you click here, then it will redirect you on this Microsoft form. Here all the details you can see, right? 75% criteria, year of passing, B and BTech candidates. You can see. Important note: students attending the in-person event must bring their laptop. Yeah, you can see here. You can see eligible participants will receive an online assessment. Online assessments from March 30th to 2nd April. So it will be conducted from 30th March to 2nd April, but last date to apply is 29th March. And after that, one more you can see shortlisted candidates will process to the hackathon event at Aptean Bangalore office, right? You can see this one. First you will receive online assessment. After that you need to go to Bangalore, their office, on 6th April, right, for the more discussion regarding the salary and other things, right, for your job discussion. Yeah, so how to apply, that is very easy, simple. You need to fill these details: your name, contact number, your email ID, college or university, your degree, then your stream, your branch, right? Percentage criteria, you need to select this one only. If you don't have this 75% criteria at least, then you are not eligible, right? At least 75%. If you have exactly 75, then you can select on this. Yeah, then but still 75% is also fine, right? Year of passing 2024 and 2023. Your city, are you willing to work in Bangalore? Yeah, you must need to click yes. If you will select no, then you will be rejected. Please select yes. After that, if shortlisted, would you be able to participate in the in-person hackathon event at Aptean Bangalore office on 6th April? You need to mention yes, only yes, right? Whether you are willing or not, you must select yes, otherwise you will be rejected directly, right? So after that, all the details, you need to click on the submit. Yeah, after submitting the application, if you are eligible, then they will send you the online exam link. So please apply, right? This is a really huge opportunity for all of you. Yeah, that's it from my side in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. I'll happy to reply. You can join our Telegram channel. Also, you can join our WhatsApp channel. Links are already given in the description box and also in the pinned comment. So please check it out. Thank you for watching this video.